Hello everyone, welcome to Science Express. Now let's start Current Affairs Capsule, Daily Current Affairs, September, day 28. Recently, which country won the historic double gold medal in the 45th FIDE Chess Olympiad 2024 in Budapest, Hungary? So, हाल ही में किस देश ने बुदापेस्ट हंगरी में आयोजित किया गया 45th FIDE चेस ओलंपियाड में डबल गोल्ड मेडल जीता? So name of the country is India. India men's and women's chess teams won the gold medal and it held in Hungarian capital Budapest from 10 to 23rd September. Okay, 2024. So name of the country is India. India won the historic double gold medals in the 45th FIDE Chess Olympiad 2024 in Budapest, Hungary. As per the news, what is the name of the India's first human space flight mission? भारत के पहले मानव स्पेस फ्लाइट मिशन का नाम क्या है? That is the Gaganyaan mission. ISRO chairman S. Somnath announced that India's first human space flight mission Gaganyaan is on track to be launched by the end of this year and Gaganyaan program approved in December 2018. Okay. Now it is ready for the launch. So name of the mission is Gaganyaan mission. Recently, who has launched the Acharya Chanakya Kaushal Vikas Kendra scheme in Maharashtra? हाल ही में किसे आचार्य चाणक्य कौशल विकास केंद्र स्कीम लॉन्च किया महाराष्ट्र में? So name of the person is Narendra Modi. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has launched the Maharashtra government's Acharya Chanakya Kaushal Vikas Kendra scheme. Under this scheme, skill development training center will be set up in renowned colleges across the state. Okay. So name of the person is Prime Minister Narendra Modi has launched the Acharya Chanakya Kaushal Vikas Kendra scheme in Maharashtra. Recently, Niti Aayog has proposed to develop edu cities in which city? So हाल ही में नीति आयोग ने किस शहर में edu cities विकसित करने का प्रस्ताव रखा है? So name of the city is Navi Mumbai. Okay, and Niti Aayog plans to develop edu cities in Navi Mumbai, and that is this initiative aims to boost MMR's, that is Mumbai Metropolitan Region status and leading education hub and stimulate job creation through improved infrastructure and connectivity. Okay, so name of the city is Navi Mumbai. Recently, who has won the Miss Universe India 2024 title? हाल ही में मिस यूनिवर्स 2024 शीर्षक किसने जीता? So her name is Reha Singha. Reha Singha, a 19-year-old from Gujarat, and won Miss Universe India 2024 in Jaipur. Reha will represent India at the Global Miss Universe 2024 pageant. Okay, so her name is Reha Singha and she is from Gujarat. Recently, Prime Minister Narendra Modi laid the foundation stone of PM Mitra Textile Park in which district of Maharashtra? हाल ही में प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी ने महाराष्ट्र के किस जिले में PM मित्र टेक्सटाइल पार्क की फाउंडेशन स्टोन रखी है? So that is Amravati. Prime Minister Modi laid the foundation stone of and PM Mega Integrated Textile Region and Apparel, that is PM Mitra Park in Amravati, Maharashtra. Okay, Amravati in Maharashtra, and central government had approved the setting up to 7 PM Mitra parks from the parks for the textile industry. Okay, so central government approved 7 PM Mitra parks for the textile industry. Okay, so name of the place is Amravati. Recently, which country has returned 297 illegally trafficked antiquities to India? हाल ही में किस देश ने 297 अवैध रूप से तस्करी पुरातत्व के भारत को वापस कर दिया? So name of the country is USA. Okay, so USA has handed over to India 297 antiquities which were smuggled out of the country, and during the ongoing visit of PM Modi, and total number of ancient items recovered by India since 2014 has gone to 640. Okay, it is a huge number. Okay, so USA has returned 297 illegally trafficked antiquities to India. As per the information, who was honored with 2024 United Nations Interagency Task Force Award, that is UNIATF. ओके, किसे सम्मानित किया गया? यूनाइटेड नेशंस इंटर एजेंसी टास्क फोर्स के द्वारा. So this organization is ICMR, that is Indian Council of Medical Research. New Delhi based Indian Council of Medical Research, that is ICMR, has been honored with the prestigious 2024 United Nations Interagency Task Force Award, and for its significant multi-sectoral action to the prevention and control of NCDs and mental health. Okay, so name of the organization is ICMR, that is Indian Council of Medical Research. Recently, who won women's single title of the 2024 पॉलिस इंटरनेशनल बैडमिंटन चैंपियनशिप? हाल ही में किसने 2024 पॉलिस इंटरनेशनल बैडमिंटन चैंपियनशिप के महिला एकल शीर्षक जीता? हर नेम इज अनमोल खरब. Indian badminton podigai, that is Anmol Kharab, won the women's single title at the Polish International Badminton Championship. Okay, so Anmol Kharab won the women's single title of the 2024 Polish International Badminton Championship. Recently, astronomer discovered the largest black hole jet, and what is named to it? हाल ही में लार्जेस्ट ब्लैक होल जेट डिस्कवर किया गया एस्ट्रोनॉमर के द्वारा. इसका नाम क्या रखा है? दैट इज पोरफायरन. ओके, दैट इज पोरफायरन, एंड पोरफायरन हैज अ डायमीटर ऑफ 23 million light year, and which is bigger than the size of the Milky Way. Okay, which is the size of the bigger than the size of the Milky Way. So name it Porphyron. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe Science Express. Thank you.